This video is about Island Paradise El Nido, a place where I felt most alive. The trip to El Nido is incomplete without its island hopping tour, and we started our day with Snake Island.
Lightning strikes by my window. It's my chest right in the
Snake Island is an epic spot, and I didn't even know until I arrived. In El Nido, all the focus are on lagoons and secret beaches, but this Snake Island is a rare beauty. Snake Island got its name from its sandbar connecting to the mainland Palawan. The sandbar changes shape with the tides but often appear in S shape, hence appearing like a long snake. This sandbar only appears during low tide, so visit this place only at the low tide time. The water in this area is crystal clear and turquoise. After that, we went to a small hike in the same island. From the top, we got this beautiful view. Drinking coconut water here is bliss. After soaking myself into this amazing view, we headed to our next destination, the Secret Beach. This piece of paradise is accessible only via a small opening that requires visitors to swim through it, only when the waves are low. This is a highlight of Tour C. Secret Beach is a hidden beach enclosed by the cliffs, which is widely believed to have inspired author Alex Garland to write his novel, The Beach. I wanted to take it all in when I was there. It was beyond beautiful indeed. After this heavenly experience, our captain took us to an amazing spot for lunch. We have been served with a lot of vegetarian food items which was cooked in the boat. I was having my best time having lunch served on island surrounded by beautiful views. After that, we next went to Hidden Beach.
We run away to get us up when we're low.
Hidden Beach is a little cove hiding behind the cast limestone cliff.
We'll make it up as we go.
Our boat drops us at the entrance and we need to swim through the water until you make your way to the cove. Please note that even if you don't know swimming, all these trips are possible with the help of life jacket and tour guide.
We run away to get us up when we're low. Oh, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down.
It was my favorite place in El Nido. I enjoyed sitting on the sand here and admiring the beautiful scenery.
Don't get in our way 'cause
On the way back, we saw Martin Loch Shrine. It is an abandoned shrine and some people do snorkeling and hiking here. We choose to see it from our boat.
We make our way, turn what we see.
For me, Tour Seve was the best island hopping tour in El Nido. While returning, the waves were very high as we were in West Philippine Sea, which is generally very violent. If your time allows to do multiple tours, make sure you choose to do Tour Seve first if the weather is pleasant. This tour is likely to get cancelled during bad weather.
Turn what we see to memories. Hey.
We kept day 4 for land trips. We first went to Leo Beach. It is a 15-minute ride by tricycle. This beach is a huge strip of clear coastline with blue water and a whole load of palm trees.
Don't get in our way 'cause we won't waste more time. We will go our way until we go flat.
It is famous for sunset and there is a huge range of restaurants and bars situated next to each other.
Flat line.
In the evening, we went to Las Cabanas beach to see the sunset. But before that, we wanted to add some adventure in our trip, so we went to Zipline. There were some steep bamboo staircase to reach at Zipline base.
Don't get in our way 'cause we won't waste more time.
Sayang. Ready? 1, 2, and 3.
It's a 750-meter long line which gives you a full-fledged view of the beach, shoreline and islands. It's like an island hopping through the zip.
Flat line.
The whole experience was breathtaking with beautiful views.
We make our way.
From there, we went to Las Cabanas beach to see the sunset.
Don't be afraid. Just break the chains of your feet. We can look down, 'cause that is how we lose. Get yourself.
This place is great for sunbathing, swimming or having some drinks or food. There are a lot of beach bars and restaurants to relax and enjoy the beautiful island.
Hey, even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down.
We grabbed some sunset beer and pizza and tried to capture some wonderful moments.
We go flat line. Don't get in our way 'cause we won't waste more time.
If you are looking for a tropical paradise which is good for diving, island hopping, snorkeling and kayaking, then this piece of paradise is meant for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like the video and also subscribe to my channel Lose Yourself Vlog, and I'll see you in my next video with a new content. Thank you.